Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorial River. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Today we are going to show you how you can make a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. For this, we have a question. What is your favorite month? Suppose you want to select month from January to December, any of them. For this, we need drop-down list. For this, we are selecting this cell. Then you need to go to the data tab. You need to find out where is the validation icon. This is the validation icon. Click here. Now select list, then source. From which source you want to select the value. I'm selecting this icon. Then I'm already make a month column, that is January to December. I'm selecting this value. Then selecting this icon again. Then OK. And you can see the source file. Then select OK. Now that's it. Your drop-down list has been created. Click this icon. You can see that January, February, March, April, December month. You can select any of them. This is the way to make a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching the video.